Hi, I'm Danny Byrne with the Web Seller Circle, and today we're going to look at part 2 of uploading your photos using FileZilla and FTP. To begin, go to bluehost.com and in the upper right-hand corner, type in the name of your website and your password. Log in to your Bluehost control panel. Scroll about halfway down to the Files area and then click on Anonymous FTP. We want to make sure that both of these checkboxes are unchecked so that no one has access anonymously. You can ignore the next two FTP icons and go directly to Configure your FTP client. It may look as though you need to add a new FTP name to get started. Don't be fooled. Scroll all the way down and you'll see a number of FTP accounts are already built into your website. You'll want the master account, which is the one that has the first 8 letters of your web URL. The icon looks like a man and the directory is just a house. This account has access to all areas. Click on Configure FTP on the far right-hand side. Since we're working with FileZilla, just scroll down to the manual settings. Make note of your username and the port. You'll need both of those to sign in. Open FileZilla. On File, click on Site Manager, and in Site Manager, click New Site. Give your new site a name similar to whatever the name of the FTP account was. And then on your host area, type www.yoursite.com. For port, it's 21. You can double check this by going back to Bluehost control panel and looking at the settings. You'll see port 21. Set the login normal and then go back and get your FTP username. You can just copy and paste that. Copy it from Bluehost and paste it directly into FileZilla. Then paste in your password. This will be the master password for your account. If you want to set a default directory to always log into with your FTP client, go to Advanced and then set the default directory. When you're ready, click OK and connect your FTP client to your web host. Scroll down to your root directory, which is public HTML, and click Create Directory. We're going to make a new directory to upload your pictures into. I'm going to call mine eBay Pics because that's both easy to remember and to type. You'll see it's immediately created by the FTP program. You do not need to go back into your file manager on Bluehost. Then just drag and drop a file to test it. That's pretty simple. Here's the real beauty of FTP. You can click as many files as you want. Right-click, choose Upload, and your files will be uploaded to your web host. This is very convenient if you need to upload a lot of files or very large files. When you're done, you can check the file by clicking Copy URL to Clipboard. Open Notepad and paste it in. You'll see the entire FTP path. You don't need all that. Delete everything before www. and delete as well the public HTML part of the address. This should leave you with your website name and the name of your picture. You can paste that into your web browser and you should see the picture. This lets you know you've got everything configured correctly. Now let's go back and copy that one more time so we can see it again. You right-click, copy to clipboard, paste it into your notepad. Delete the FTP information, delete public_HTML, and it leaves just the name of your site, your directory, and the name of your picture. You can then paste that into your image tags in your template, and it will call the picture into your eBay auction just as it did into your browser. Only the file name will change as you add new pictures to your templates, so you can hard code the image tags into your templates. Let's review this process. First, you'll need to download and install FileZilla. Then you'll need to add your username and password to FileZilla to create a new website account. Use FileZilla to create a new directory by right-clicking, and then upload your files to that new directory. You can get the name and URL by right-clicking on the file and copying it to your clipboard. Then paste that information into your listing template's SRC tag. By using this system, you'll be able to save hundreds of dollars in hosting fees over the course of a year. This is Danny Burns saying, for more tips like this, please join us at www.websellercircle.com.